Since I constantly get asked about what I'm using on my stereo bus, I thought I would share with you what I'm using at the moment. The first thing I have is a UAD API 2500. I'm using an old tone, a 3:1 rate, relatively fast attack, and a medium release. So here is before. After. Next, I am using Diamond by Acoustica Audio. Listen to how this sounds before and after. Here it is without. With. And my all-time favorite, standard clip. So I've set it to plus 7 dB. Listen to it without. With. And my all-time favorite, DMG Limitless. Here is without. With. And we're done.